This is a full HD LED monitor for car. It's easily adjustable clips that can be easily mounted on rear view. Here is how you can mount it. It's mounted now. You can view videos, music and photos on it using this remote. And now we'll engage the rear gear to see how the camera looks. We have just engaged the rear gear, and we'll put my car back to show you how you can see the live pictures. These also have these menus, music, photos, and here is a wire that goes down here. We have connected 12 volt supply from the roof light. Can be detached like this. This is a fuse, and this red wire and black wire is a 12 volt positive and negative. You can unplug this socket with any sharp object like screwdriver or anything. Here we have detached, and you can pull the wire from the clip and easily wrap around your current wire of display and attach it back. These also have some wires like AV connectors that came from rear view camera. I'll show you later that things. First we'll fix it back and go back to see how we have connected the camera. This is the boot lead, and here where I have put my camera. This camera was available on AliExpress around 800 rupees Indian, and I have used a screwdriver 10 mm to unscrew these 4 bolts. This one is the first bolt, this one is second, this one is third, and this one is fourth. These four bolts need to be unscrewed to get this strip off from your car. And when you strip off this car, you can drill a hole that is available with the camera set, and you can run down your wire like this and here you can clip it on and get it to back. These are the locks need to be open to connect your camera wires to the rear engaging lights. Whenever you engage your rear gear, there is a white light that glows on. From there you will get a supply of our camera. That's a very low voltage. You can connect it directly. These are the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh locks. These are the locks you need to unlock before you do the wiring. You can pull it like that, like this. You can pull it off. This is the wire came from camera, and this is a connector which is available within the camera set only. This is the positive and negative wire to be connected for camera supply, and this is the AV wire that goes in the display. This wire has been running down from a rear seat to the roof line and to the display. I'll show you further these things. First, see how I have connected a positive wire from rear light bulb. In Tata Zest car, this wire, this is the last one, black wire. This is the wire that get 12 volt positive supply when we engage a rear gear. And I have just unplugged the socket, put the wire back into the pin, and then plug it back. This is the white light. I'll show you how you can check. See if I turn on the ignition, put it my rear gear, and this light is on, and when this light is on, you will get a 12 volt supply to red wire that goes to the camera. Here, and you can see the display, whatever camera, whatever the things in front of your camera. Right now my boot is open, that's why it's showing the back portion. When you disengage the gear, you will see the display, and this display also get off in 10 seconds because I have set it the display off time 10 seconds. This actually works automatically. Whenever you engage the rear gear, it will get the display, and when you disengage the gear, it will show you the current display things. I have run down the wire like here. Just before that, this frame, I have shown you I have run a AV wire from back side to back seat. This is where my wire is. This is going like here, in the roof, and then using a soft wire, copper wire or aluminum wire, anything, I have pushed that wire under the from within the roof to the light. In the beginning of the video, I have shown some yellow connectors. I'll show you again. Let me put it back. After unboxing it, this is the light, this is the connector from display, and these are the wirings you get from within the display box. These are the connectors. This one is the AV connector for video player. Suppose you have some video player system in your car, you can connect it to that AV system. And the second yellow point is the camera pin. This green wire is need to be connected to the red wire coming from AV pin, because that's the only thing that get energized when you engage the rear gear. That is the basic thing you need to take care, because if you won't connect that red wire into the green wire of display, after engaging the rear gear, you won't get switched on automatically. This red wire is a positive, this black wire is a negative for display. And after wiring these things, you can put it back. I'm putting it back. It's look like bundles of wire, but you not need to worry, there are plenty of space above, and you can put all your wire back and put back the light also. After putting back light, I'll switch in the light and open the gate to show you its light is properly working. It don't even affect anything. This is the backup fuse of display. I'm putting it back. I've shown you just the overall wiring, how I have done it. But even if you need a full description where to run through the wire, how to run the wire, and how to connect the wire, how to detect the 12 volt DC, anything, you can comment on my video. I'll show you the full description. Right now see, it's on switch is working, off switch is working, even the door one is working. Thank you guys, thank you for watching.